Hello guys, today is day 4 on our challenge to grow $1,000 to $50,000 in 30 days. So we are going to take our first trade for today. We are trading only one pay, which is Bitcoin USD, and then the current price for Bitcoin is 58,500. I'm going to enter a buy and I expect to sell at 60,500. So let's get started. The first trade, okay, we just initiated our first trade. Then I will go ahead and set stop loss and take profit, which is risk management. As you know, for you to be successful in trading for the forex market, you have to know how you can manage your money. So risk management is very important for you to become a successful or profitable forex trader. I've set my stop loss and take profit, and then I'm using 1:3. So it means that in every $100 that I risk, I will earn extra $300. So that's just the basic. So the first trade is there. Then I will go ahead and observe the market and see how I can add more trade. Currently our balance is at $3,600. So we expect to grow this account to at least $5,000 today if the market permits. So let's just see how it goes. So if you want to learn how to trade forex, I've organized a course and also a free Telegram and WhatsApp channel, which I will leave the link in the description of this video and also the comment section. If you want to learn, kindly join the link and then get started. I will be posting my daily trades. As I take this trade, I'll also post them in that channel. So if you are already a forex trader, you can copy my trade and then trade along with me. And also if you are new to forex trading, you can copy my trade and then while you are still learning. Okay, moving on, I'm using a broker called Octa and I will leave the link in the comment section. If you want to join my broker or if you want to trade with my broker, you can join through the link and then you get 100% deposit bonus when you register through the link. And then also remember that this video is strictly for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor, so take that into consideration. Remember that forex trading is a risky business. Always do your own research and then make your decision. I've added more trades. I've added like 3 other trades, so I have a total of 4 trades in total. Currently I came back to see the trade and we have grown the account to $4,000. That means you've made extra $500 in profit. I will still observe. I might likely close this trade and then wait for the market to retrace. Then I will enter a new trade. I was planning to take only one trade daily, which is London section, but I always observe BTC price action going up and down. So as the price fluctuates, I will also trade along with the price fluctuation. That means I might be trading New York section also. Okay guys, that being said, the account is currently at $4,000, which we still have a long way to go. And then if we want to achieve this at our target, we need to at least make $1,500 every day in profit to achieve the $50,000 target at the end of the 30 days. So so let's just see how it goes. And then as you can see, we are still trading, and then I'm trying to close this trade or close some of these trades and then wait for the market to retrace back, and then I will enter more trade. Then if the market hit 60,000 or 61,000, I will likely enter a sell or short, as they normally say. Also I will short the market and then expect to sell it at maybe 59,000. So let's just see how it goes. So for the meantime, as we are waiting for this to go on, kindly hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe if you like content like this, so that you'll be the first to know when I drop videos like this. And also in this channel we also predict football matches. So if you want to win daily, which we have designed a proper way of winning to us every day. If you want to be part of it, kindly join the WhatsApp link in the comment section and chat me up. That is for people that play sport betting. So that's it. That being said, let's move on. Okay, guys, I've closed some of the trade. I have to close this trade and then wait for the market to retrace so that we'll enter more trade. So I've entered. Okay, guys, after a few hours I came back and then the market has already reached 61,000, which I entered a short. I short the market, and then when I opened my trade, I saw that we have made over $3,500 in profit. And I increased the lot size to 0.4, and then that help us to grow this account to 7,700. So I'm about to close these two trades now. Then I will still wait for the market to retrace, but I will likely enter a buy and expect to sell this market at the 61,000 again. So if that should happen, we should be able to grow this account to 10,000 on our day 5. So expect more on our day 5. I've entered a new trade. So I've entered a buy. 2 trades already. So let's see how this market goes. So on our day 5, day 4 we have grown this account to 7,800. So guys, that's all I have for today. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends. If you find this video interesting, or if you have any question regarding Forex trading, kindly leave it in the comment section. I will gladly answer your question as time goes on. Okay guys, I've entered like 4 more trades in this trade. This result I will show on our day 5 series. So be expecting the new day 5. So by day 5 we should be able to grow this account to 10 to $11,000. Thank you for staying tuned, and always remember to trade responsibly